Sri Rangaura Narjari.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity. So my subject is demand to construct flyover at the railway crossing at Odalguri, Tongla, and Goresar town in Bodoland Territorial Region, Assam. So the Bodoland Territorial Region was created through the signing of MU agreement between FSU All Bodo Students Union and other associate organizations like NDB and UBPO in 2020. One of the objectives of the accord was to ensure accelerated development of tribal areas. The commitment for construction of flyover at Odalguri and Tongla in Odalguri district and Goresar in Tamilpur district at a railway crossing falling in the BTR region was laid in the clause number 10.1 of the BTR Accord 2020. Odalguri is a district headquarters bifurcated by the railway tracks into two parts. Students, business, community and publics are to cross railway gate, closing their real-time movement for their business. The construction of flyover at the railway crossing is necessary for seamless movement of the public, students and business community for their daily business, avoiding probable incidents. So the Tongla and the Goresar town railway gates cause lots of trouble to commuters, which lead to traffic jam, affecting seamless movement. Sometimes students are to miss out exam time due to unable to cross the railway gate in time. Considering the importance of the flyover in those places, demands for its construction was inserted in the Annexure 4 of the Accord, which is to be sanctioned by the Government of India. Therefore, I urge upon the government to take measures to construct those three flyovers at railway crossing and fulfill the needs of the public as committed in the BTR. Thank you, sir.